Okay, Lucy, so here's one of the examples for you, okay? So John saves €300 per month at 12% per annum for 12 years. How much will he have at the end of 3 years? And I should just stress there, he saves it at the start of the month, okay? So the first thing I need to do, this information is with months and years, okay? So they're giving us the money in months, but they're giving us the percentage and the time in years, okay? So per annum, per year, and 3 years. So I'm going to change it into months. So the first thing is I'm going to change the percentage, 12%, into whatever it would be per month, and I've done that over here. Okay, if any, you can pause this now if you want to, take a closer look at something. So this will be 0.0094. Okay, and 2 years is 24 months. Right. So if we look then at what's going on, so we have €300 invested at the very start, the very first month. Okay, so there it is, and it's going to be there for 24 months, so it's going to get 24 months interest. The next month we're going to invest another €300, and again it's going to get the interest, but it's only going to get 23 months interest because we've invested on the second month, and so on and so on and so on. And what, 2 years, at the end of 2 years, sorry. Okay, so at the end of 2 years, just when 2 years is nearly up, there's going to be a month left, we'll invest another €300, but that's only going to be in there for a month, so it's only going to get 1 month's interest. Okay, so what we do then is we write the series backwards, okay, starting with 1. The reason we do that is because now if we write it this way, the series is decreasing, okay, whereas here the series is increasing. If the series is increasing, it makes the maths a bit easier. So we have €300 multiplied by this amount of interest, and then €300 multiplied by that amount of interest, and so on. Now what I usually do here is I take out the €300 because it makes it easier when I get down to the series and sequence bit. Okay, so I have €300. So it's €300 outside the bracket. Okay, so I'm just factorising it out, and inside then I have my monthly interest. Okay, so it's basically this with just the 300 factored out. Okay, so for instance, this multiplied by this gives me this. This multiplied by this gives me this. This multiplied by this gives me this. So it's the same thing, just written in an easier way. Right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the 1 plus the interest, the 0.094 together. Okay, just again to simplify it out before I put it into this series. Alright, so now I have my series, okay, as simple as I can get it, the 300 outside and the interest added together. Okay, now I take my sum of the geometric series formula, because this is a geometric series. Think about it. 1.0094, that's once, but this is 1.0094 multiplied again by itself, and the next one will be multiplied by another 0.094, and so on and so on. So it is a geometric series because it's been multiplied by a common ratio. So, well, we're going to keep our 300 outside, right? And then the ratio, or the sum of a geometric series, is going to be inside the bracket. So A stands for the first term. First term is that. There it is. Multiply by, in brackets, 1. There it is. Minus the common ratio. Common ratio, what am I multiplying each term by? Well, 1.0094. So there it goes. And n is the amount of months it's been multiplied by, r to the power of, which is 24. Alright? Working that out in the calculator, well, 1.0094 to the power of 1 is just 1.0094. 1 minus 1.0094 to the power 24. Okay, now be careful, it's not all of that to the power 24, it's this, it's 1 minus that, just that to the power 24. Okay, that 24 is inside the bracket, not outside. And that will give us minus 0.2517. If I multiply those two together, I get minus 0.257, and again I'll take away the 1 minus 1.0094, and I get that, and here it is still. Divide one into the other, I get 27.02. I still have my 300 outside. There we go. So final amount is 8,106. Okay, so that's the answer. So if I invest 300 euros every month for 2 years, that's how much I get back. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll give you a few questions now to try. Okay, so lastly there's a few questions for you, and again you can pause these and do them. So Tom saves 100 euros per month for 2 years at the start of every month. Okay, start of every month he saves it at 10% per annum. Find how much he will have at the end of 2 years. Second one, Lisa saves 500 euros per month at the start of the month for 3 years at 15% per annum. Tim saves 150 euros per month at the start of for 10 months at 0.04 interest per month. Okay, so that will save you a bit of work. And Claire saves 200 euros per month, but it's at the end of the month for 1.5 years, 1.5 years at 12% per annum. The last one I want you to think about. Okay, let's pretend you have a fairy godmother, and on the day you are born, right, so the day you're born, she puts away 100 euros for you. Okay, and she will put away 100 euros every single birthday. So she'll put away 100 euros when you turn 1, when you turn 2, when you turn 3, when you turn 4, all the way up to when you turn 17. She will also put in 100 euros on your birthday, and then on your birthday, an hour later or whatever, you will take out all the money. Okay, so think about this. The day you're born, so when you're 0, she gives you 100 euros in a bank. Then when you're every birthday up until the age of 17, she gives 100 euros, and on the day of your birthday, she'll also give you 100 euros. You then, on your birthday, so the same day she gives you the money, you will take out all the money. Okay, so you can calculate how many years you have it in for. And I am going to say that the interest rate is 6% per annum. Okay, so just to give you a little tip, do you think we need to convert that to months? We're dealing in years here, aren't we? In all these we're dealing in months, but in this we're dealing in years. So we should not be converting that to months. Okay, this is all in years. Okay, so have a go at that one. Okay, best of luck.